This is Goldilocks and the Three Bears, a fairy tale problem-solving STEM kit from Lakeshore Learning. Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and the baby bear left their home to go on a picnic in the forest. Goldilocks wandered into their home. In the living room, Goldilocks found three chairs. She tried to climb onto Papa Bear's chair, but it was too tall. Goldilocks was able to climb onto Mama Bear's chair, but it was still too big. There was just one more chair to try. Baby Bear's chair. Goldilocks sat down, and the chair wobbled, tipped over, and broke. It wasn't strong enough to hold her. When the three bears came home, they saw Goldilocks holding the broken chair. Baby Bear cried, "Oh no! My chair is broken!" "I'm so sorry," said Goldilocks. "Let me build you a new chair." Here's your challenge. Can you help Goldilocks build a new chair that can hold anyone in the bear family without wobbling or falling over?